Hello and welcome to this R tutorial. So right now, let's write the code to visualize those results. So we're going to do this with ggplot2. In case you didn't follow the linear regression tutorials on R, I'm just going to write the line to install the ggplot2 package. I'm not going to install it, but it's just in case you don't have it. And to check that, you need to go to the packages here and check if you have the ggplot2 package here. And so if you don't find it in this list here, you need to install it. And to install it, it's really simple. You just need to type here install.packages. You can press enter here. And then in quotes, you enter the name of the package, which is ggplot2. And then you just need to select this line and execute this line by pressing Command or Control plus enter. And this will install the ggplot2 package without any issue. So I'm going to put that as comment by pressing Command Shift plus C. All right. And now we can start to visualize the linear regression results. So as you can see in the packages here, the ggplot2 package is not selected here, so I'm going to need to select here. So either I can click here, or the better way is to automate the selection of this package thanks to the script. And to do this, we just need to add the line library and in parentheses the name of the package with no quotes, so just ggplot2 here, this way. And when this line will be executed, actually we can check it right now. As you can see, ggplot2 is not selected. I'm executing this line and now it's selected. Okay, so now that our ggplot2 library is selected, let's start building the plot. So we're going to do exactly like in simple linear regression. We're going to use the ggplot function, and then we're going to add the different components in the graph. So first we will add the real observation points thanks to the geomPoint function. And then we're going to add the predictions component thanks to the geomLine function. Then we're going to add a title to the plot thanks to ggtitle, and then a label to the x-axis with xlab, and a label to the y-axis with ylab. So very simple, exactly like before. We're going to make this graph step by step. Okay, so let's start with the first step. The first step is just to type here ggplot with parentheses, and that will initiate the plot. And now remember, we need to add a plus here, and that's where we start to add the different components. So the first component is the real observation points, and we are plotting them with the geomPoint function. So let's add here geomPoint, geom_point actually. Here it is. And now we input the arguments in the parentheses. Okay, so the first argument, remember, is the aesthetic function. So that's in this function that we will input the x coordinates of our observation points as well as the y coordinates. So let's do this. AES for aesthetics function. So in this aesthetic function we need to input the x coordinates and the y coordinates of all our 10 observation points. So let's see what these coordinates are. Let's have a look at our data set. So our 10 observation points are characterized by their levels and their salaries. The x coordinates corresponds to the independent variable, that is the level column here, and our y coordinates will be our 10 salaries here associated to these 10 levels here. So in short, the x coordinates are the independent variable values, that is the 10 levels here, and the y coordinates are the dependent variable values, that is the 10 salaries here. Okay, so let's input that. So x here is level and y is salary. However, since we did not specify that the data is data set here, our data set, we need to specify where we are taking the levels and the salaries. And to specify that, we need to add here dataset $, so that R understands that we are taking the levels of our dataset here. So it's going to be the same for Y. We're going to specify that we're taking the salaries of the column salary in our dataset. This way. Perfect. And now we can add another argument, because this aesthetic function was the first argument of this geomPoint function. And remember, we can add a second argument, which we will add because we want to add a color to our points to then make the distinction between the real observation points and the predictions. And so we're going to pick the red color. So here I'm going to add the color argument and set it equal to red in quotes. Alright, and now let's not forget to close the parenthesis of the geomPoint function, because this parenthesis was for the aesthetic function, and now we are all fine.